In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning, aesthetically pleasing Google Slides presentation. Whether you're putting together a pitch deck, a school project, or a professional report, a well-designed presentation not only captivates your audience, but also conveys your message effectively. Let's dive into some key strategies to elevate your Google Slides presentation game. First, let's focus on the foundation of any good presentation: the color palette. Choosing a harmonious color palette can set the tone for your entire slide deck. Ideally, you'll want to select 2 to 4 colors that not only complement each other, but also align with the theme of your presentation. If you're unsure where to start, online tools like Adobe Color or Coolers are excellent resources for exploring pre-made palettes that might just inspire the look of your slides. Next up, imagery plays a crucial role in creating an impactful presentation. Incorporate high-quality visuals that are both relevant and engaging. A tip here is to use images with transparent backgrounds to maintain a clean and uncluttered design. You can even adjust image transparency to blend visuals seamlessly as background elements, adding depth without distraction. Now, let's talk about visual hierarchy. This is all about structuring your slides so they guide the viewer's attention to the most critical information first. Achieve this by using font size, color, and strategic placement. Make sure that your titles and headings are distinct and stand out from the main body text. This not only enhances readability, but also guides the eye naturally as the viewer navigates through your slides. A limited font palette is another hallmark of a professional presentation. Sticking to 2 or 3 fonts will create a consistent and polished look. Opt for fonts that are easy to read and complement your overall design aesthetic. Remember, consistency is key to maintaining a cohesive feel throughout your presentation. Embracing minimalism can make a world of difference. Avoid overcrowding your slides with too much text or imagery. Instead, use white space strategically to provide breathing room and maintain focus. Consistent layouts and design elements across all slides will ensure a solid, unified presentation. To add a touch of visual interest, consider using icons and illustrations. These can reinforce your message and make your slides more engaging. Ensure that they align with your chosen theme and color palette, and you can find excellent free resources on websites like Flaticon and FreePic. Lastly, slide transitions and animations can enhance your presentation's flow when used sparingly. Opt for simple transitions like fades or slides to smoothly guide your audience from one slide to the next, while avoiding flashy or distracting effects. Throughout this process, maintaining consistency in your color palette, fonts, and design elements across all slides is essential for achieving a cohesive and professional look. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a visually appealing and effective Google Slides presentation.